Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to take a look at the highly anticipated 2025 Suzuki Grand Vitara Hybrid. This SUV has been generating a lot of buzz lately, and for good reason. Suzuki is promising a bold new design, a spacious interior, and an efficient hybrid powertrain. Let's start under the hood. While official details are still under wraps, the 2025 Grand Vitara Hybrid is expected to be powered by a 1.5-liter gasoline engine paired with an electric motor. This hybrid system is estimated to generate around 101 horsepower and 136 newton-meters of torque. While not the most powerful option on the market, it should provide a smooth and responsive driving experience, especially in city environments. Powered by a hybrid system, it integrates a gasoline engine with an electric motor to optimize power output while prioritizing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Inside, the Grand Vitara Hybrid boasts a spacious and modern cabin designed for comfort and convenience, equipped with premium materials and advanced technology. Officially, Suzuki has not yet announced a release date or pricing for the 2025 Grand Vitara Hybrid. However, automotive experts anticipate the SUV arriving in dealerships later this year. The price is expected to start slightly higher than the previous generation model. The 2025 Suzuki Grand Vitara Hybrid is set to redefine SUV expectations with its blend of performance, efficiency, and modern comforts, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious drivers seeking versatility and reliability. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive innovations. See you next time.